In this episode, we're going to continue off of our previous episode, 524, on the LLM usage, where we gathered the statistics of the completion tokens, the prompt tokens, the total tokens that were being used by our local large language model. And in this episode, we're going to continue off of that to extract that functionality over into a gem. Either that could exist in its own application, or you can mount it within your own. And I've done this a few times in the past, where there was sometimes functionality that wanted specifically in one application, but then other applications would share that kind of functionality. And so extracting it into a gem is a great way to do this. And we can create a gem with the Rails plugin. We'll create a new plugin, and we're just going to call it the LLM usage. And then we're going to add the -- mountable. And I've covered creating gems in the past, so be sure to search up and look at those old episodes, because a lot of it still rings true today. But what separates them from this episode is that we're simply not going to be creating a new gem. We're going to be taking our existing code and extracting it into a gem. And a lot of times as we are developing something, it's really easy to think that it's going to be very specific to our application. However, as we either get community feedback or there's other business requirements within our organization, we find that there is some overlapping functionality between multiple applications or what the community may need. And so that kind of puts us in the first hurdle, is that we implemented the feature without the thought of extracting it later into its own gem. And so we're going to look at the code that we wrote in the last episode and see how those kind of decisions have played out, and also what we need to do to extract it into its own gem. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift in Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.